Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your tripod. First, begin by extending the legs from the top sections downwards. This provides the most stable base. Next, adjust each leg's angle to suit your terrain, whether it's flat ground or an incline. Finally, make sure the tripod head is perfectly level before you even think about attaching your camera, using the built-in bubble level if available. Now, let's attach your camera. Start by securely fastening the quick-release plate to the bottom of your camera. Make sure it's tight to prevent any wobbling. Then, carefully align this plate with the receiver on your tripod head. Once aligned, slide it into place and engage the locking mechanism. Double-check that your camera is firmly seated and won't accidentally detach. With your camera mounted, it's time for fine-tuning. If you need extra height, slowly raise the center column, but remember this can reduce stability. Next, balance your camera and lens setup on the head. This ensures smooth panning and tilting. Finally, tighten all the adjustment knobs firmly. This prevents any unwanted movement and keeps your camera exactly where you want it. For maximum stability, especially in windy conditions, consider hanging a bag or counterweight from the tripod's center hook. Also, position one of the tripod legs directly towards your main subject. This often provides a more stable shooting stance. Most importantly, never leave your camera unattended on a tripod, especially if it feels even slightly unstable. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.